excise tax. The form will be pre-populated based on your existing information available in the system. However, apart from some few key fields like the entity types and the ownership details, the taxpayers who are not registered for VAT or excise tax will need to create a user profile first in Tax before being able to proceed with the registration application. So before we proceed with the demo on how to register in the portal, we will demonstrate first how to create an account on Tax portal for those who are not already registered in Tax. So let's start first by going to the Tax portal and clicking on Sign Up. When clicking on Sign Up, you will need to enter the email address, the first name in English, last name in English, first name in Arabic, and last name in Arabic. You will then need to enter the country code along with the mobile number and the password that needs to be strong enough with the one upper and lower case alphabet, one special character, one numeric value, and to be between 10 to 20 character length. With that, you will confirm the password and you will enter the security code showing on your screen. With that, you will click on the checkbox where it says that you agree on the terms and conditions of the FTA. By clicking on Continue, you will receive a one-time password that you will need to enter and click on Sign Up. By clicking on Sign Up, your account has been successfully created, so you will click on Log In to go back to the first page where you will enter the registered email address along with the password and the security code showing on your screen. In case if you forgot the password, you can just click on the blue written Forgot Password and you will receive an auto-reply email on how to reset your password. So next you will click on Log In and you will enter the first page of your account where you will have the banner, and we will proceed by clicking on Taxable Person to create a profile under the user. So you will enter the profile name in English, profile name in Arabic, preferred language either Arabic or English, and preferred communication channel either email or both SMS and email. With that, you will click on Create and your taxable person profile has been created successfully. You can click on View and check the services under your profile, such as the value-added tax, the tax group, the excise tax, the warehouse keeper, and corporate tax, where we will walk you through the corporate tax registration in the next demo. So for the corporate tax registration, you will need to enter the registered email address along with the password and the security code showing on your screen. By entering the details, you will click on Login and you will proceed to the first page where you will click on the taxable person profile you would like to proceed with the corporate tax registration with. So by clicking on View, you will go to the corporate tax and click on Actions and Register. So after clicking on Register, you will go to the first page of the service details and you will need to confirm that you have read the instructions and guidelines. We will start with the first step, which is the entity details. You will enter the entity type, the entity subtype, the date of incorporation, and you will upload the certificate of incorporation, either in PDF or document. So by clicking on OK and uploading it successfully, you will move to the corporate tax period details, where you will enter the exact period. So next, for the second step, we have the identification details, where you will enter the main license details, such as the trade license issuing authority, trade license number, trade license issue date, and expiry date. You will need as well to enter the legal name in English and legal name in Arabic. You will enter the trade name as well in English and Arabic. With that, you will upload the trade license either in PDF or document. After entering all the above details and uploading all the documents successfully, you will move to the business activity details, where you will click on Add Business Activity and click on the Add button, which says Add Business Activity, and you will enter the industry, the main group, the subgroup, and activity. By clicking on Add, you will move to the next step, which is the owner's list. You will click on Add Owner and you will enter the owner type, either a natural or legal person, and the first name in English and last name in English, the first name in Arabic, and as well last name in Arabic. You will need as well to enter the owner's passport number and issuing country along with the passport expiry date. After entering all the valid information, you will need to upload as well the owner's passport copy as a PDF or document. After entering all the details, you will need to check that all the documents are uploaded successfully, and you will move to the ownership start date, where you will need to enter the exact date and the shareholding percentage, where you will need to add any owner above 25% percentage. So you will click on next step and we will move to the third step, which is the contact details. You will enter the country, the building name and number, the street, area, city, and emirate. You will then need to enter the country code along with the mobile number and landline number. You will then need to enter the email ID you would like to receive the notifications on and the PO box as an optional. In case you missed any information, you will have this red box to guide you where did you miss the information to fill it in and proceed with the application. So by going back to the red boxes and filling it, you will click on next step and you will move to the last step, which is the authorized signatory. You will click on add authorized signatory and you will enter the first name in English, last name in English, first name in Arabic, and last name in Arabic. You will then need to enter the country code along with the mobile number and the email ID, and you will enter the exact designation of the authorized signatory. You will then need to enter the passport number and the passport issuing country, passport expiry date, and upload the passport copy either in PDF or document. After making sure that the uploaded document has been uploaded successfully, you will make sure that you entered all the passport details and you will move to the source of authorization, either a POA or MOE, and you will upload it as well as mentioned earlier, either in PDF or document. So by clicking on OK and click on Add, the authorized signatory has been added successfully. You will click on Next Step, which is declaring and reviewing all the given information is accurate in all steps, and in case if you missed any step, you can click on Edit, where it will take you to the exact step. You will click on the checkbox that all the given information is accurate, and you will click on Submit. where it says the application has been submitted successfully, and you will have a reference number under your application. You can view your registration status that says in review, and you can have the application reference number in case if you wanted to follow up on your application. So with that, we will discuss some common issues that we may have mentioned it in the demos, and it's impacting the corporate tax registration process. First, the entity type. You need to ensure that the correct entity type and entity subtype is selected. And for the identification documents, if you are already registered in Emirate Tax, please ensure to update your identification documents such as the Emirates ID, passport, trade license, and such on. It is mandatory to upload up-to-date documents where requested in the form. You need to ensure that the percentage shareholding assigned to each shareholder is correct and up to date. Shareholders with a 25% or more shareholding must be registered under ownership details. The incorporation date must match the company's commencement date stated in the MOE. And last but not least, for the tax period, you need to verify the exact tax period. And now we will move to the key takeaways of today's webinar. As we've mentioned earlier, the corporate tax registration is now available for all entity types,